This website will help you to retouch your images in one click. So the name of this website is called Retouch for me, and I'll leave the URL over here and in the description as well if you want to try this out. So if you're looking for something to transform your images or retouch basic retouches to your images without spending so much time, this website will do it for you. Over here on the website, they have resources, they have products, and they have so many things. So we'll go through all of these things coming up very soon. Once you go onto this website, you might have to log in, or if you want to access a lot more. But of course, even without logging in, you can check out the things that this website can do for you. So here are some of the before and after pictures that you are seeing right over here. Now, the beautiful thing about this one is that you can download the plugins into your Photoshop and do it right away. That is after you make subscription or you pay for it. And in most cases, if you are using the original versions of Adobe Photoshop, it makes this work so easier. So right over here, here are some of the things that you can use this app to do on this website to do. So you can see the before and the after. It does some very basic kind of retouch to your photos. Mind you, this is not extremely for like super high professionals or super high photographers. This is just for people like me and you who don't really do much of photography, but we need to quickly get our photos retouched. Now, even without signing in, you are given the opportunities to test this with your pictures. So you can easily go and upload a picture of or the picture and you try with a retouch. So I'm basically going to use this picture right over here. You double click on the picture and then it is going to upload onto the cloud. Now you take time or you take your time. It works on it. It's more like this is pretty much AI. So it works on it and you can see the before and the after. You can as well adjust the sizes to anyone that you want at all. Now you can even download this in a low resolution. So you can't download in a very high resolution unless you pay for it. But you can download this in a low resolution, and this is how it looks like. So this is basically how it looks like. It does a very basic retouching, but you can see the quality is not that great because of course this is not paid for. This is the free version. So this is the original picture and the retouched one. You can see it did some basic things, just that it has reduced the quality, the whole quality of the retouched one. So if you want to get the full quality, you need to make a subscription or you need to pay for this particular one. Now you can also download the plugin like I said earlier. So if you click on the download here, you can download the Retouch for me Photoshop panel. But this, you need to be on the original version of Photoshop before you can actually download and install this in your Photoshop. Don't worry, I'm still trying to find ways around this. I'll let you know once I get one like that. And yes, there are other things that you can also download from here. There are lots that you can download and use on your videos. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, and you can see the prices all attached to this. And also they have the video retouching effect, which I think for this, comparing the prices on this, I doubt most of us will be using it. But if you can afford it, and it will make your work so easier. If you can afford it, that is pretty fine. So for the video retouching, this is how it pretty much looks like. You can see the before and the after if you use their website. So you can see it basically retouches the video and makes it look so smooth and so nice. There is also color match that you can use over here if you don't want to spend too much time on color correction or color correcting your footages. So if you download their video retouch packs, these are the things that you get. And also the 3D LUTs. You can get so many LUTs and apply it on your videos without the stress of going through each and every one of them and making changes. Now, if you don't want to download the Photoshop C panel, you can download their inbuilt AI, which is called the ARMS. So for the ARMS, you basically just edit all your pictures in one. It's more like Lightroom. Okay, so you can edit your pictures and it has all these effects, all these retouching effects set in them that you can easily edit your pictures in the ARMS. So maybe if you are not familiar with Photoshop and you want to stick to a website, you can go ahead and use their inbuilt AI, which is known as ARMS. So you can use that one also to retouch your images. Yes, so these are the system requirements that you can use, and that's basically it for ARMS. Now, mind you, if you don't sign in or sign up with them, most of these things that I've talked about that you can download, you may not be able to download it. So once you create a free account and you log in, you can have access to most of these things that we've discussed, and you can also watch their tutorials to get yourself equipped. Now, these are the basic prices for this particular website. You can go through and see any one of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this website. If you are looking for something to retouch, basic retouch for your images, you can try this out. Do try it out and let me know what you think about this video. And thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.